You want to transport from this particular location to this particular location to the customer, right? First thing comes into the mind, how do you want to transfer it? Okay, how do you want to transfer it? Which means, do you want to get it transferred through road? Also, I can transfer through ship. Also, I can transfer through air. Also, I can transfer, right? How the transfer need to happen? That is the first question come. That first question we try to answer with the mode of transport, MOT. That whether the air mode, road mode, or ship mode would be required to get the transfer. That comes under the mode of transfer. Second thing comes, okay, I identify I need to transfer through road, right? And second thing you need to check it, to transfer through road, what kind of resource you require it, what kind of vehicle you will require it. You said that, okay, I will require a truck, right? Then it comes that what kind of truck you will require, whether you require a 24-ton truck, whether you require a refrigerator truck, whether you require a truck with the compartments, what kind of truck you will require. Now, this part is your resource. This all part which we are talking about here, that what would be the mode of transport, what would be the vehicle, okay, what kind of truck should be there. This is basically your resource we are talking about. In the resource discussion, the multiple terminology will come, that what is the mode of transport. So this is your mode of transport. The first thing which you try to identify, whether by road, air, or ship I am transferring it, this is the mode of transport. Whether I am transferring it through truck, whether I am transferring it through trailer, whether I am transferring it through van, okay, this thing can be your MTR, means of transport. Okay, and what exact vehicle you will require, this would be your resource. What exact vehicle you will require, this would be your resource. Okay, mode of transport, कि कैसे transfer करना है, air से, ship से, or road से, how we need to transport it. Okay, then what kind of vehicle would be required? The further drill down, if in road also I can use a trailer, I can use a van, I can use a container, I can use a truck, different kind of things I can use it. That can be your means of transport. Then within that, you said I want to use truck. Truck also I have a 15 feet, 16 feet, 18 feet, 24 ton, 20 ton. Okay, refrigerators with the compartments, different trucks can be there. That is called resources. So this is a hierarchy. In hierarchy, I will complicate it a little bit more. More things will come, but this is a high level hierarchy. Your mode of transport, then your what kind of means of transport we need to use it, and then actual resource, which is your actual truck with the capacity and with the availability. In these two things, you need to note it down. One thing, one key difference, which I asked in the interviews, people are not able to answer it. You note it down. The key difference between the MTR and resource, because what I am saying it here as a resource, you will see many projects, it is created as MTR at the top itself, 24 ton or not 24 ton, 15 feet, 16 feet, or refrigerators, non-refrigerators with the compartment, that kind of MTRs has been created. Okay, you need to understand the key difference between MTR and resource. One thing which does not have with MTR and which would be there with the resource, two things. One is resource would be having a capacity. Capacity information would be there at the resource level. Second thing, your availability. When that particular resource would be available, that information also would be there at the resource level. So make a note that the down the level resources need to be maintained. What would be the minimum resources you need to maintain? Their capacity and the availability need to be maintained at that level.